Hi. So this is my current workspace right now. Filming equipment, lights, pretty backdrop, which is actually a work project that I'm currently working on. I live in a village in the countryside, and my local village has decided to do advent calendar windows. So different houses have each got a day, and my date is the 10th of December. And so I decided to go with a traditional looking theme, but there's going to be a little nerdy twist. And at the moment I'm contemplating either having a Cadillac driven by reindeer with Elvis as Santa, or maybe Darth Vader and the moon would become a Death Star. Or maybe Lilo and Stitch in the little flying red car. Haven't decided yet. But basically what happens then is once you've put your display up at the beginning of December, people go around the village walking around with their children and looking at all the displays, and it invites people into your garden, quite frankly, but you know, you just put a blind down and nobody can see in your house. But it's just nice to be involved in the community. So this is my backdrop as we speak, which is not quite finished. A couple of little bits left to do, but it's just a very large piece of tracing paper with lots of paints flecked on it. I drew some clouds and painted a moon and stuck on some snowflakes. And then, oh, mind my hand, sorry. There's some little houses like the ones in my village. Little fencing and an oversized snowman. And that is pretty much as far as I've got with that. And that took me about 4 or 5 hours yesterday to do that. But it's such a pretty backdrop at this time of year, so I've decided to leave it there. Plus it's safe from the cats. But today, I'm going to show you my workspace and what it tends to really look like when I'm doing stuff, which is not pretty. So, pretty backdrop, but underneath, Danish pastries, current project, kitchen towel, some drill bits, and a box full of every kind of tissue paper imaginable. Loads of different kinds that I collected over the years. A whole bunch of bits and pieces and sockets and wires for all sorts of things. Current project, drink, glue, more glue, TV remote because I tend to listen to YouTube while I'm working, and lots more tissue, underneath which is more of my tools and bits and pieces and a glue gun, and over there is a painting box so that I can put an item in there and spray paint it, essential drinks, and a box for rubbish. So that's what my workshop tends to look like, my workspace, which is technically my dining room, I suppose, because that's my living room. There's a lot goes on in here. Another project there that I recently did, and the wall that I did. And over there, whoopsie, dropping things. Over there is the door from the old unit that used to be behind me here. That I recently got rid of because it was falling apart, quite frankly. It was really old. But it had some really good solid parts, so I've still got the drawers, a couple of the doors, that being one of them, and this project, which was inside the unit, which you'll see when it's all finished. But I'm hoping it's going to look nice. It's just taking an awful long time. But hopefully it'll be done soon. In the meantime, in and amongst all these other projects I've got going on, I've got a couple in editing, so they'll be coming soon. I'm just waiting on a bit of help from my son with one of them because he was involved in one of the projects quite heavily, and so he wants to do some of the voiceover. So I have to get him to sit down and actually do that in between all his homework. And then that will be the next one that comes out, hopefully. In the meantime, I will also be making Christmas decorations, which videos on that will be coming soon as well. So keep watching, invite your friends, tell them all about what I do. And I look forward to catching up with you all pretty soon. Leave your comments below. Let me know anything you'd like to see me try or anything like that, because I'm all for feedback. So, and have a go at any of these things and send me your pictures. That'd be great. All right, thanks. Take care. Bye.